The washing machine is located in the utility room and it is quite simple to use. You have a turn dial in the middle which you can select a variety of functions. Now you can see the function of what cottons is for. You've got synthetics, hand wash, cottons eco, anti-allergy. Delicates, dark care, mixed fabrics, shirts, sports, duvet, stain expert. That should provide you the information that you need to choose the right desired program. So if you wish to select a program, you would turn it to whichever one you want. I have got cotton here. You can then change the temperature, so it's 40 degrees, you can reduce it to 30, 20, all the way up to 90. And then also you can change the spin speed by pushing this button. To start the machine, you would push start on here, that would activate the machine. We do have a selection of washing tablets. They're located in the cupboard at the side of the tumble dryer. They're located at the bottom, and you can just throw one of these pods in the machine to clean your clothes. Thank you.